Hi, my name is Louise. I'm the Assistant Box Office Manager here at Historic Thalian Hall. Thank you for taking the time today to learn a little bit more about using your online account through our ticketing system, Spectrix. I'm going to be showing you the steps of logging in and using your online account. Please keep in mind that you can pause the video at any time if you need to. In just a second, I'm going to switch over to my screen so that you can follow along. But first, we need to open a browser. I'll be using Chrome, but pretty much all the browsers work similarly. You can use Safari, Edge, Firefox. Do try to use a desktop or laptop computer, though, instead of a phone or a tablet. Once your browser is open, click in this URL box and type thalianhall.org and hit enter. As you can see, our site's navigation links are up top in this red bar. Please click on the login link. If you have previously set up a password, go ahead and enter your email and password and click login. To skip these next instructions, click ahead in the video to 3 minutes and 30 seconds. If you have not yet set up a password, click reset here next to forgot your password. This might seem a little counterintuitive, but because you are a member of Thalian Hall and we have your email on file, you are not a new customer. Go ahead and enter your email address in both boxes and click email password link to me. At this point, you will need to leave our website and navigate to your email provider. I use Outlook, so I'm going to open that now. Here in my inbox is an email from boxoffice@thalianhall.org. This could also end up in your spam folder. So for me, that is actually hidden under more and junk. Just to show you an example, I'm going to open up this email. And if that does happen to you, you can find where you can mark as not junk or not spam, and that'll help from future emails ending up in your spam folder. So once you get this email open, you can click on the link, and that will open a new page for you. Please enter a password and confirm it. You can then click Update Password. And just save the password for future, but you just click Continue here. So you now have access to your account online and all your member benefits. Now that we're logged in, if you could please go back up to that red navigation bar at the top of the screen. Place your mouse over Tickets and Events and Calendar. If you move your mouse over Calendar, you'll see the Legends and Main Attractions. If you click on that, just as a side note, you can also click on that calendar option to see all the events showing at Thalian Hall in chronological order. I'm going to go and demonstrate putting tickets in my cart, starting with Lee Rocker. Just gonna add a couple of tickets here. Let's go to the parquet. And you'll see there's only one ticket price, and this is a legend, so there's no discounts at all. And that's why when I click continue, you can see the total price is $107. Now, for an event like Chris Perondi Stunt Dog Experience, that's a main attraction. So I'm going to go and add some tickets in here again from the parquet. I'm going to add 4 tickets to show you what will happen. We have a couple of different ticket options. I'm going to go and click continue. And I have discounted tickets here, and it actually shows that amount discounted. And then if we click on checkout, breaks that down a little bit more. First, I'm going to choose my ticket delivery. E-tics are always great, they're easy. I'm not going to donate today. Here I have a breakdown. I have 2 sponsored tickets that I get as part of being a Grand Patron and 2 discounted tickets. That's going to be cheaper than those non-discounted Lee Rocker tickets. And this is how you would finish out the billing. Notice that payment screen took a little bit longer to load there, so just be a little bit patient with it if it doesn't pop out right away. If you add anything to the cart and don't check out or don't finish that option, those tickets are going to time out in 10 minutes. So if you've added tickets to your cart, don't stress about it. Those are going to go away in about 10 minutes. I'm going to go back to log in, and you'll see because we're logged in, it takes you straight to account. E-tickets here would show you any e-tickets that you had. I don't have any completed orders. Memberships show you all your memberships and when they'll expire. It also gives you the option to renew your membership, which is nice. Account credits is going to show you if you have a gift voucher on there, which you can see I've already used it, but it still shows up. Or if you have any other credits. Other preferences is great because that gives you ADA options, and there's quite a few. So you can choose that for somebody in your immediate family, and that gives you access to ADA seats that you might not otherwise have access to. Please note that if you have not used these seats before, we will still call you to confirm your reservation, as some of the accessible seating can be a little bit tricky to understand. Another great thing about logging in is that you are able to order your tickets on the early purchase date according to your membership level. So that first on sale date is for silver and gold levels starting May 23rd at 2 p.m. and then about 2 weeks for each additional level. We do limit the early purchase tickets to 4 per show per patron. So if you have any special requests, just call the box office directly. We'll try to accommodate you. And once again, thank you for taking the time to learn about some of the great features of Spectrix. I hope it wasn't too boring. And if you have any additional questions or concern, please don't hesitate to email or call us. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.